In the heart of the Byzantine Empire, a visionary ruler embarked on a quest to restore the glory of Rome, and to codify the vast and complex legal system that had evolved over centuries. The reign of Emperor Justinian I marked a pivotal era that left an enduring legacy through the codification of Roman law. In the 6th century CE, Emperor Justinian I ascended to the throne of the Byzantine Empire. Determined to reclaim the territories of the Western Roman Empire and to strengthen the Eastern Empire's foundations, Justinian launched a series of ambitious reforms that would shape the empire's legal and cultural landscape. One of Justinian's most significant achievements was the codification of Roman law. Recognizing the need for clarity and accessibility in the legal system, he commissioned a team of legal scholars to compile and organize the vast body of Roman laws, decrees, and jurisprudential writings into a coherent whole. The result of this monumental effort was the Corpus Juris Civilis, also known as the Justinian Code. This comprehensive compilation consisted of 4 main parts: the Codex Constitutionum, the Digesta or Pandecti, the Institutions, and the Novelli Constitutions. Together, these texts became a cornerstone of legal education, practice, and scholarship. The codification of Roman law aimed to provide consistency, clarity, and order in the Byzantine legal system. It integrated centuries of legal precedent, clarifying conflicts and establishing a foundation for legal interpretation and practice. Emperor Justinian's reign also witnessed the construction of architectural marvels such as the Hagia Sophia, a cathedral that exemplified Byzantine architecture's grandeur and innovation. These structures symbolized the empire's cultural and spiritual vitality. Despite his accomplishments, Justinian's reign faced challenges, including the Justinian Plague, a devastating pandemic that ravaged the empire. However, his legacy lived on through his legal reforms, which influenced the development of European legal systems for centuries. Tribonian, a prominent legal scholar, played a crucial role in overseeing the compilation and organization of the Corpus Juris Civilis. The Justinian Code's influence extended beyond Byzantium. Its revival in the West during the Middle Ages contributed to the foundations of modern legal systems. Justinian's codification principles of clarity and consistency continue to resonate in modern legal codes and practices. The reign of Emperor Justinian I stands as a testament to the power of vision, leadership, and legal reform. His commitment to codifying Roman law through the Corpus Juris Civilis reshaped the Byzantine legal system, and provided a lasting foundation for legal practice and education. As the Byzantine Empire navigated challenges and crises, the legacy of Justinian's achievements continued to shape the course of law and governance. Through his dedication to preserving and refining the legal legacy of ancient Rome, Emperor Justinian's impact resonates across time as a beacon of clarity and order in the realm of jurisprudence.